What's going on, guys? So welcome to today's video / live stream. We're going to be doing an update on Winter Storm Diego, and this has already been overproduced here in Texas, so there's that. Winter storm warning is now up for much of North Carolina. So yeah, this is a pretty significant storm, especially for North Carolina, and even into South Carolina and Georgia, as you can see. So, yeah. And we have winter weather advisory stretching from New Mexico all the way up, pretty sure that's West Virginia. All the way to West Virginia. So, that's a lot. And we have flash flood watches down to the south. Wind advisory in effect for much of Georgia. So, yeah. Here's all the watches and warnings. You can see in the pink, we have winter storm warning. The purple, winter weather advisories. And then the green, flash flood watches. So, yeah. Flood watch out in... I think that's a flood watch. Oh, freezing fog advisory out for parts of New Mexico, too. So, yeah, we'll click on for Oklahoma, just so you can see what to expect. Alright, here's the current radar depiction. What it's going to be during today. All snow down here, actually. Freezing rain for OKC Metro. Snow and sleet mix. And then just rain down here. The precip chances of Oklahoma City. Hello. Oklahoma City has about a 20 to 40% chance of receiving precipitation. And then down here it's just 100%. The snow and sleet. And this has already been an overproducer in Texas. As if you saw yesterday's stream, you saw I had Texas and Oklahoma. Only about 1 to 3 parts of Texas already, like Lubbock, Texas, I think that is. I think I say it. Already saw over 6 inches of snow. So it's already an overproducer. So you can see Wichita Falls, 2 to 4 inches of snow. OKC, up to an inch. Not getting too much. Probably gonna get some rain. Here's the temperatures. And then over the next 7 days, you can expect for the outlook. Friday, we have another chance for some snow and sleet. Low now. And now we'll click on another area. We'll click Arkansas. See what that's gonna do. Alright, so here's the current radar in Arkansas. There you can see Little Rock. I'm pretty sure this is some snow and ice. You can see up to a 1/4 inch maybe. Total snow, not as bad here. This still could change. Generally 1 to 3 inches of snow. And then the rain will be extremely heavy down here. We're talking possibly up to 6 inches or more. Yeah. And then we'll click on Georgia. We'll see what it's going to be like in Georgia. We're just going to be going through the states that have the worst, that could be seeing the worst of the weather. Here's the current radar in Georgia. Mainly rain. You can see the big area of rain. This is all rain as of now. Winter storm warnings and advisories. We also have a winter storm watch out for here. Athens, Georgia, you are under a winter weather advisory. Bearsville, you are under a winter storm warning. The flood watch for generally 2 to 3 inches of rain. The wind advisory for gusts up to 40 miles an hour in Atlanta. And then for today, just some rain, a lot of rain. At times, heavy at times too. Rain at night. It's going to be a cold rain, a few sleet pelts from time to time. And then up here, Gainesville, sorry, and Athens, look, snow. But the temperature's going to be really warm. But there is snow possible for tomorrow. And then we'll go into the Carolinas now. because that's where the worst of this storm will be. Alright, here we go. So, yeah, winter weather. This is the, where's this service? So here's the total. Here's South Carolina here, Georgia here, possibly, in Georgia. We'll click on this real quick, actually. Clayton, Georgia, possibly up to 5 inches of snow. So, and look up here, 18 inches in Brevard, 14 inches in Asheville, 16 in Waynesville, and then a ton of just a lot of snow here. This will be a significant storm, record-breaking too. South Carolina looks like it could get some of the worst icing, possibly up to a quarter to a half inch of ice. Just gonna look at here. Alright, here's the updated for this stuff. Heavy mixed precipitation in South Carolina and Georgia. Mountain locations and sleet accumulation will range from 3 inches in the southernmost parts to 12 inches more near North Carolina border. Total snow accumulations from... Okay. Well, why? If you're watching this right now, yesterday it was 2 to 17 inches. Now it's 4 to 20 inches. Right here across southwest mountains of North Carolina. That's a big range. But it is a sharp gradient. So, the lesser amounts of only 3 to 12 inches. Oh no, that's still a lot of snow. And a big range for the Smokies. And then widespread 12 to 20 inch total likely. So yeah, there's that. Click here now. We'll be seeing Virginia now. What you could expect in Virginia today. Parts of Virginia are under a winter storm warning. In the area under the warning, this is North Carolina. Here's Virginia. Generally, 5 to 10 inches of snow under the warning area. And I'd say a widespread 3 to 6 inches is likely for this area from Roanoke to Withville. I'd say a general 3 to 6 inches, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little less in some areas. So yeah, total snow accumulations of 4 to 12 inches, still a big range, not as bad though. And it will be all snow for this area. Won't have any mixing or anything. So yeah, stay tuned for a little later today. I will be posting my doing a stream who will have the most chances, the highest chances of receiving a white Christmas. Right here. And the newest NAM model shows like 8 to 12 inches by the coast of North and South Carolina. Don't think it'll happen. Raleigh, you are under a winter storm warning. So yeah, let's check the forecast for your snow totals. So here's your snow totals right here. Raleigh, about 5 inches of snow. And then you just, as you keep working to the west, you keep getting into those higher snow totals. Lexington, 11 inches. But, yeah. Yeah, generally, 3 to 6 inches in this blue area. And then 1 to 3 for this light blue, and then the really, really light blue to white color. And then 8 to 12 inches in this orangey color. So yeah, hey, so there's a new update for the winter storm warning in North Carolina. The range is from 4 to 20 inches of snow. So try to find that for you. I think it's this area. It's just funny. It's just the high ranges of snow. Yep, right here, 4 to 20 inches of snow. 4 to 20 inches. That is a really big range right there. Alright, so we're taking a look at tropical tidbits right now. The newest models have just come out, so we can't see the full run. But it's okay. We'll mainly be looking at the Carolinas and stuff because that's where the worst will be today. Well, tonight. Oklahoma is actually in Texas is getting more than expected for snow, so we'll look at that in a second. This is the newest GFS model. It just came out about half hour ago. So you can see heavy rain across Alabama and Mississippi and a little into Georgia. And then you can see right here the snow starts to come out, and then heavy snow in these areas. And for Charlotte and Raleigh, you will probably switch to all rain for a period of time, and then you could end as a little bit of snow as the storm pulls away. And here's a GFS idea for Snowfall. Generally, yeah, and it maybe if you're by the coast of North Carolina, you could see a coating or so. Mainly the I think it's a little high in this area with 13 inches. I think it'll be like more 5 to 8 inches, but that still could happen. I think it's pretty accurate here. We'll take a look at the Canadian model. Canadian model shows nothing for the coast and a lot for this area. That still could happen. Not the most likely scenario. And then for the FV3 model, it just came out, so we can't see it at all. But yeah, that's going to be it for this stream, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned later for the stream to show you who will have the highest chances of seeing a white Christmas. Thanks for watching, and